This is an 8-pack of kitchen towels by Hire Kitchen, and they are so soft. You're going to get 8 of them, 4 in gray and 4 in white, and they're made of microfiber. That means they're highly absorbent. And look at this nice stripe design that it has. Goes with any kitchen decor. And what's nice about these are they're ultra big. This measures 26 inches by 18 inches. How perfect is that? This is great for washing dishes, for cleaning your glassware, as well as your countertops, tables, and so much more. Because it's made of microfiber, it's highly absorbent. And look how stylish these are. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of what the gray towel looks like. As you can see, it is very luxurious. And look how nice it is. Very nice top quality. And this is also lint-free microfiber. Beautiful. Here's a close-up of the white one, and look how luxurious and soft they are. And they are also lint-free and so nice and large too. This is the reason why I decided to purchase these. Another nice feature that these have are these loops that you could hang up. So after you're done washing dishes, you can just hang them up just like that. These are so fantastic, and they're also very easy to clean. Definitely recommend it. Would also make a great gift because everybody has a kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.